everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be making spaghetti noodles in Chowmein style. So boiling spaghetti with salt and few drops of water, and on the other side heating oil and then adding in white onions. You can add veggies of your choice including cabbage, carrot, broccoli, paneer or whatever you like. You can even add beans. Let the spaghetti boil. This is a healthy recipe and it aids in weight loss because when you eat regular chow mein, it is made of plain flour which doesn't have any fiber. It makes you fat, but here I'm using the spaghetti which is made using durum wheat semolina, which is far beneficial than the normal flour. It has a lot of fiber and it helps in losing weight as well because it has a lot of fiber. And this recipe is quite healthy as I'm using everything organic, homemade ginger garlic paste, no soy sauce, no ajinomoto or MSG, just adding in red wine vinegar, honey and black pepper, and it's gonna be super delicious. You can add spices of your choice. You can even add green chilies to give it a spicy flavor if you like something very spicy. Ginger garlic paste you can add as per your choice, less or more, depends on how much garlic you like in your veggies or whatever you cook on a daily basis. But this is an absolutely delicious noodle recipe that you should definitely try. You can even serve it to your kids in their lunch box as well, and even carry it for your own lunch box. It's absolutely delicious, so scrumptious, believe me. And you know what, you can eat everything you like if you make it in a healthy way. Like you can replace the noodle with the spaghetti, you can replace white bread with brown bread. You can add lots of veggies and fiber to your whatever you are cooking, and you can eat everything and still lose weight. Thanks for watching and have a good one.